Hook, midnight to 3 o'clock. Close-up shot of an ancient Canaanite city, with ruins stretching as far as the eye can see. Narrator, imagine a world where civilizations crumbled, and cities fell silent in a mere few years. A world where mighty empires vanished, leaving behind only ruins and unanswered questions. Welcome to the mystery of the Sea Peoples and the Bronze Age collapse, a cataclysmic event that shook the ancient world to its very foundations. Setup, 3 to 12 o'clock. Narrator, the Late Bronze Age, spanning from around 1500 to 1200 BCE, was the pinnacle of human achievement. Civilizations in Egypt, Mycenae, Hittite, and Assyria thrived, with the rise of mighty city-states and the emergence of advanced technologies. Trade flourished, art proliferated, and politics became increasingly complex. However, around 1200 BCE, something changed. Cities began to fall, empires crumbled, and the once great civilizations sank into the dust.